Are you a product owner buried under a pile of requirements, struggling to make sense of it all? Imagine if you could take those lengthy documents and, with the help of AI, turn them into clear, actionable themes, epics, and user stories in just minutes. That's exactly what we're going to cover today, using AI to lighten your load and streamline your backlog. Stick around because this could change the way you work forever. Hi, I'm Eric, an Agile coach and Scrum trainer with over 20 years of experience helping product owners and teams become successful. In today's fast-paced world, time is everything. And as a product owner, you've got a lot on your plate. Stakeholder demands, prioritizing features, and getting the most value out of your sprints. Luckily, AI tools like ChatGPT can make your life a whole lot easier, and I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. In this video, we're going to take a real business requirements document, upload it to ChatGPT, and let AI do the heavy lifting. We'll generate themes, epics, user stories, personas, and an MVP plan, and prioritize our backlog, all within a few minutes. By the end, you'll see how AI can help you speed up your workflow and deliver more value to your stakeholders. So we're going to begin here by going to my computer and uploading a business requirements document. And then I'm going to give ChatGPT a little prompt here. And don't worry, I will put the text to the prompts in the description of the video. I'm going to tell it that I'm attaching a business requirement document. I want it to read it 1,000 times. This is a little hack I learned with ChatGPT just to hammer through the details. Use the attached business requirements document to create themes, epics, and user stories. Make sure the user stories follow the as a, I want, so that format. Create acceptance criteria for each user story, and then I'm going to give ChatGPT a little reminder here that acceptance criteria are steps a user would take to verify that the story is done from their perspective. Let's see what happens. So our business requirements document, by the way, was for marketing automation software development. It's come up with themes, 5 different themes here. It has taken the first theme and broken it into epics and user stories. As you can see, we have the proper text format of a user story here, along with acceptance criteria. It's gotten several user stories for the first epic. Now it's moving on to the second epic. Again, creating more user stories. It's now on epic number 3 out of 5. Okay, while it's chewing on that, the next set of prompts I'm going to give to ChatGPT for this project, I'm going to want to say that for an initial version of this product, I want to make the most return on investment with the least amount of effort. Who should I target for my first launch? That's once it's done generating this content, we'll give it the next prompt and see what happens. Okay. Here comes prompt number 2, now that I've got my themes, epics, and user stories. Prompt number 2, for an initial version of this product, I want to make the most return on investment with the least amount of effort. Who should I target with my first launch? Wants me to go after small, medium-sized businesses. It's giving me their biggest pain points. Benefits for targeting them first because there's less competition, faster sales cycles, personalization and simplicity. All great. Okay, excellent. What I want to do now is have it create personas that represent the audience I'm going to try to target with my first release. So the prompt I'm going to give it is right here. Let's see what it says. So we've got Megan, the marketing manager. It's giving me the goals that Megan has, the challenges that Megan faces, and the needs and motivation for using my software. Our second persona is Jake, the startup founder. Getting details about Jake. Okay, and now persona number 3, Lena, the freelance digital marketer. She's a solo entrepreneur, but she also has need for our software. That's great. Awesome. So let's let ChatGPT finish this work. These are the people we're going to target with our initial release. And now I'm going to feed it, as soon as this is done, I'm going to feed it a kind of a thinking question here based on my business. Wow, so now it's going so far as to tell me key product features for all personas. So these are the features that ChatGPT says will satisfy all three of my personas. My final prompt here is going to be based on those personas and my goal of maximum ROI in my first release. Suggest a priority order for all of my user stories. Let's see what happens here. To maximize ROI, you should prioritize user stories that provide the most immediate value to the personas and align with the core product features. Great, so it's telling me user story 1.1, 3.1, 1.3, and giving me rationale as to why each persona would value that story. So it's giving me 4 stories to prioritize as highest. These are my must-have features. It's giving me should-have features in a second tier, still generating these user stories, and giving me rationale. So this is really important as a product owner because, as you know, our decisions are often questioned. This is giving us justification for the prioritization. And then, of course, our bonus or nice-to-have features are lumped into our third category. And once again, really good on ChatGPT for doing this. It's giving us rationale for all these stories, so that, and then it's summarizing it all for us. This is great. So ChatGPT, when you feed it the right information, can be an incredibly powerful tool. And as you can see here, has done a lot of the heavy lifting for us. So to recap quickly, we took a complex business requirements document and using ChatGPT turned it into well-organized themes, epics, user stories, personas, and an MVP plan, along with a prioritized product backlog, all in a fraction of the time it would take manually. This is the future of product ownership, and AI is making it easier than ever to get things done. If your organization is facing challenges with product development, whether it's backlog management, stakeholder alignment, prioritization, I'm offering free consultations where we can talk through your issues and find practical solutions. You can schedule a time with me through the link in the description below. Let's work together to overcome these roadblocks and help your teams deliver real value faster. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future tips for product owners and Agile teams. See you in the next video.